Hi everyone, I'm Claudia Borges, Reiki Master and Teacher. I will show you today the hands positions for self-healing. The first position is over your face. So put your hands over your face, fingers touching the top of the forehead. So let me show you here. So you can touch yourself or you can just put your hands very close to your face. The second position, it's over your ears. So you hold your hands here between 3 to 5 minutes until you feel the energy diminishing. Not only here, actually in all hands positions. So from here, you move your hands up to the top of your head. And here, make sure that you are not overlapping your fingers. Just nicely place your hands over your head and stay here for like 3 to 5 minutes or until you feel that the energy is ebbing. And then from here, you go to your throat. So right hand over your throat, left hand over your heart chakra. And then you hold here, like you can touch it yourself, or you can just hold it here close to your chakra, throat chakra or heart chakra. And then from here, you go to your shoulders. So let me show you. Just put your hands here on your shoulders and stay here. This is really good for you to relax your shoulders, relax your neck. And from here, you're gonna go to your solar plexus, the upper stomach. So just hold your hands, you can touch yourself or you can just put your hands close to your stomach area. That's your solar plexus. And then from here, you go to your sacral, which is on your belly button area. And from here, you go to your root chakra, down below. And you hold again your hands here for a couple of minutes or until you feel that the energy is diminishing. That's a sign for you to move to the next position. The next position in this case will be your lower back. So I'm going to show you. You just come to your lower back, hold it here, your hands. When you think is the time to move on, then move down to your root chakra. Relax your shoulders, relax your hands, and just keep your hands here in your root chakra area for a couple of minutes. And then from here, the best thing to do is to sit on the floor. So you're gonna be working on your feet, the energy on your feet. So on the floor, you're gonna start with your left foot. So the palm of your hand goes to the arch of your left foot first. And then the other one comes here, like a sandwich, and you hold it here for a couple of minutes again, allowing the energy to flow into your left foot, okay? When you feel that it's time to move on, then you do the same thing with your right foot. So your palm connected with the arch of the right foot. And you hold it here again for a couple of minutes, allowing the energy to flow. And when you think it's time to move on, you're gonna do the same thing now on your feet. So you just come with your, like connect your palms to the arch and stay here for a couple of minutes. This feels really good. I love to do this position. And when you feel that it's time to move to the next position. Then you cross your arms and hold your ankles. This is the last position. This is not to disconnect you from your own energy. Actually, this is to balance your nervous system, the left and the right sides. This is really good too. And then when you feel, you sense that you are done, then you shake it out and disconnect from the Reiki energy. These are the hands positions for self-healing. So I hope you practice Reiki very often on yourself so you can keep your energy always balanced. So thank you for watching.